Okay, so hello everyone, myself Shivansh from CSE AI. Today I am here to uh, make a presentation on the pumping lemma. So basically what is pumping lemma? Pumping lemma depends upon the pigeonhole principle. So what is pigeonhole principle? It states that if there are m number of holes and n number of pigeons such that number of pigeons are greater than the number of holes, then there exists at least one hole which contains more than one pigeon. So what is pumping lemma? So pumping lemma, let us suppose L be any regular language, then there exists a DFA M with n states such that for every string W which belongs to L, such that the length of the string is greater than or equal to n, which means the number of states. Then we can break W into three strings denoted as W equals to X, Y, Z, such that the mod of Y means length of Y should be greater than 0, mod of xy should be less than or equal to n, which is the number of states, and for all I greater than equal to 0 we can pump the xyz that must belongs to L. Okay, so now we will see a question, then you will understand it better. So now moving on to applications of pumping lemma. So applications of pumping lemma. So pumping lemma is used to apply to show that a certain language are not regular. It should never be used to show a language is regular. That means pumping lemma is a sufficient is a necessary condition for language to be for a language to be a non-regular, but is not the sufficient condition. Means that if a language satisfy pumping lemma, then it may be regular or not regular. But if a language fails to satisfy pumping lemma, then it can be then it is sure then it is for sure that the language is not regular. Okay, so now moving on to a problem. So moving on to the first problem, we have a question which states that, as you can see, prove that L equals to a to the power m b to the power m for m greater than or equal to 0 is not regular. Okay, so first of all we will assume that language. Now in this we will do it by the con contradiction method. So first we will assume that the language L is regular and it contains n number of states corresponding to DFA machine M. Okay, so let W, which is the string, be a to the power n b to the power n, then length of W you can calculate will be 2n, which is greater than or equal to n. So by pumping, so we can apply pumping lemma as the string length is less than or is greater than or equal to n. So by pumping lemma we can write W as W equals to xyz. So now on breaking further this, we can write x is equals to a to the power n minus k minus r, and y equals to a to the power k, such that k is greater than 0, as the length of y must be greater than 0, and z is equals to a to the power r b to the power n. So as you all can see that we have break this to make uh, further on, if you try to combine xyz, you will get the same as a to the power and b to the power n, but we have break in the sense, but we have break the xyz such that it satisfy all the three conditions. So now by pumping lemma we will trying to pump this. So now pumping y from I from 0 to infinity. No, so now as you can see at I equals to 0, that is x y to the power 0 and z is equals to a to the power n minus k minus r, a to the power r and b to the power n. So now on solving further this, we get a to the power n minus k and b to the power n. Now as we have already said that k is greater than 0, therefore n minus k will be less than or equal will not be equal to n. So the you can see the power an to the string W equals to a to the power n b to the power n is not equal to a to the power n minus k b to the power n. On further pumping it for I equals to 2, we see that x y square z. Now on further breaking, you can see we can write as a to the power n minus k minus r, a to the power 2k, and for z we write a to the power r b to the power n. On further calculating all this, we got a to the power n plus k into b to the power n. Now as you all know, since k is greater than 0, therefore n plus k will never be equal to n. Thus x to the power y, x y ki power z, and x y square z is not of the form an and bn. Thus we are getting strings which are not accepted by L. Hence we can say that the language is not regular as the pumping lemma is not satisfied. So okay, so thank you.